Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming core prerequisites: the title number, a clear copy of the deed, and a photo ID. Once done, choose the only way, the official land registry portal or the prescribed paper submission. Pick portal for speed. Upload the deed, completed transfer form, and the applicable fee. Make sure to attach evidence of identity and payment. You'll receive a submission reference immediately. Keep that. This step matters because correct initial data prevents delays and invalid rejects later. Now you handle the complex middle. Detail the application fields carefully because names, addresses, and consideration amounts must match your supporting evidence. Upload conveyancer certificates, indemnity policies, or a plan showing boundaries if required. Once uploaded, verify the fee code. Incorrect fees delay acceptance. You can choose faster processing if urgent. After submission, monitor the portal for validation messages and respond quickly to any requests for clarification. Finish by confirming the registry's decision. You'll get an updated title schedule showing ownership and any charges. Make sure to download and store the new document, inform your lender, and update tax records. If there's a short delay, check the portal for a reason and action required. If the application is rejected, note the error code, correct the specific document, and resubmit promptly. If confusion persists, contact the registry helpline. Explain your reference and request precise next steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.